So this is day 21 of coding every day, and what I'm going to be trying to do is fixing up my Arduino project I was starting on last time. Kind of making a toggle button for the LED, and then maybe I'll try to sync up some multiple LEDs. Like, um, I guess you can do it, kind of think of it like I can also do like a little like traffic um light simulator. But first, let me plug in my Arduino. So I can just go ahead and upload any code. And then so yesterday the code I was looking at. So what I was thinking was happening, what I think is happening is that um, what's it called? What I think is happening is that the um, from what I was reading about was also that so like the button could have like a little bit like of some like internal um, stuff that can keep the thing high, I guess. Um, and so what I think I want to do is um, basically add in a something called like a debounce um, like delay. So um, like after a button gets pressed, then I want to like delay it a little bit, if that makes sense. Yeah. So like let's see. So like here, I'll just delay it like let's say 100 milliseconds. That might be a lot, but I'm not 100% sure. Um, but I think this might work. Okay, I think this might work. Let's just verify this real fast. Compiled, so let's upload it. So done uploading. So it should have uploaded. So I'm gonna grab that real fast. Grab the Arduino. Swear this plug is like crazy. But let's see. So first, let me kind of grab the stuff I'm gonna need. Um, let's see. I'll get some wires out. I'll need some resistors and some LEDs and some buttons. So I'm gonna get some LEDs out again. Let's see if I can find the same one, same yellow one I used. Looks like I found it. Oop, dropped it. I'll use that. I'll keep these LEDs out just in case. I'm gonna need a button and then some resistors. And then I think that might just be it. Some wires, get my resistors out, and then I might just grab this resistor. Okay. And then let me just get a button out of this bag real fast. There's an easy button. Cool. So I think I have everything that I possibly might need. Um, Oh, excuse me. Um, hmm, okay, let's see. Hopefully my camera's in the right spot. Okay, there you go. Looks about, sorry. There you go. So, let's see. So, for this again, um, the longer one is power, the other one is ground. So, I'll just do it right over here. Connect this to ground. Connect this right here. And then, shoot, I wish I paid attention. Um, brown, black, red, red. I think that's the 220. Um, brown, black, black, orange, brown. Okay, I think this is 100,000. I'll just put this right here. So, this I believe is the 220 for the resistor. So this is where I want to hook up power. Okay, so power is going to go to that. It should power on um, that. I'm just going to put the button here for now. Yeah, I think I'll just put the button there for now. And then, so let me see. So pin 6 is my output. Okay, so let's see. Oops. Okay, so I'll use, oh, right here for now. I'll use this blue one for my output for now, which is going to be pin 6. So this is my output. So that's definitely not gonna work. Let me try this white one. Oh, this one's super, super long. um, this one looks a little bit shorter. I'll try this white one. Into 6. And then I want to power this. I'll just put it right here. Skip a row. Input is 7. Um, okay. So with the button, I need to set it up to power, ground, and then input. Hmm. So what I'll do, I'll set it to ground. I'll set this one up to ground right here. Ground. And then let's see. And then I need to set it to power, which I'll put into this power rail. Oh, hello. Set up to this power rail right here. Can I still press the button? I can. And then, well, I want to hook up, no, because I want to use this resistor. So let's see. So input. So a resistor to ground. Okay, so this one's my ground. What I'll do, use this resistor from this leg. I'll just bring it all the way out here. Not very pretty, but it'll do. Here to ground. There. Um, yeah, resistor to ground, basically. And then the other leg, I'm going to bring to my input, which is 7. Let's see, let me just get this orange one. Okay, bring it out right here to 7. Cool. And then I need to hook up my power and ground. So I'll just use this black and this red. Okay. So power, I'll use my red one for it. Here, here. There we go. And then ground. I'll put it right here. So in theory, I think this should be um, my hooked up board, I believe. So a moment of truth as I power this up. Boom, boom. Plug this in. Okay. Uh, okay. Huh. So let's see. So let's see what my code is doing real fast. So so I'm reading. So I'm reading the current. So it should be low right now. So previous should be low. Current should be red. Oh, so just writes. Um, and then if previous equals high and current equals low, so let's say it's low. It reads okay. Check, 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 check. So if I click, it should set up to high. So every time I'm clicking it, it waits. Else, alright, state. Huh. Then it just switches. So I press it, you wait a little bit, turns on, turns off. Huh. So I think it's gonna be my code that's the issue. I hope it's just the code. But let's see real fast. Um, hmm. So like previous current. Huh. Hmm. Okay. Um. So I think there was a thing using returns the number of milliseconds passed. Okay. I can't do zero pranks. I'm plugging in externally. Huh. Hmm. So I think I'll do. So I'll do what I want to do. So, like, let's say Boolean state, and then I want it to be false. I think is low. Um. mm, mm, mm. So previous, current. So it sets up. I'll get rid of this, and I'll just set. Oh, wait, not current. I'll set it to this, and then. Hmm. Let's see. Then inside this loop, I want to. Uh, I really can't see the issue. Oh. I'm gonna do. I'll do this. So current equals digital read. If this just means that they don't equal, to be honest. So if current doesn't equal previous, then I'll just do like 50-second delay. Not second, but um, how much is it again? I forgot. I think it's milliseconds. Yeah, milliseconds. Okay. Hmm. So, hmm. So if they don't match, basically what I want to do. So basically, after the delay, um, if so, then I want to do this, right? Let me get rid of this real quick. Let me do this. So I want to flip the state, right? Yeah, flip the state right to the state, and then I want to change the button. Uh, current high, low. Then I want to like that, because that way it's gonna be looping through the input. I'm gonna see if it compiles. Compiles, so I will set it up real quick. I can't tell if I'm stupid or aggravating. Okay, there you go. I think the upload was complete. Let me just do it again though. Okay, done uploading. Ouch. That really hurts. Okay. So, look this back up again. So let me do the power first. So let's get power. This is going to be ground. Okay. And this is going to be my input, which is 7. This is going to be my output, which is 6. And then my power. Okay. Um, on. Give it a little bit of time. Give it a little bit of time. Kind of reset, reset, reset. Off. Oh, thank you. Looks like it's working. Oh, of course not. So is it just a one-time thing? Like, what's going on? Give it some time. Give it some time. On. And then give it some time. Give it some time. Da 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 da. Give it some time to set the button like the previous to low. Click the button. Ah, okay. I don't know if you can really tell. I moved it and turned on. That's not a great sign. Huh. On. Can you tell? Let me try something. Let me do this. Okay, you can see that it's on. Deck. Oh, off. On. Off. On. I'm not even. So, I'm not even pressing the button. Like, I'm just getting close to the button. Huh. On. Off. On. Off. Huh. I think the code's working. I just think the wiring might be a little finicky, to be honest. That's what's causing this. Maybe my circuit could be better, but It looks like it's probably working. Turn it back on. Um, so that's good. So it looks like that's actually working. Um, so let's see. So I kind of have an idea, which I might try to do tomorrow, honestly, because I'm getting kind of tired. But it looks like it's working. I think the code, or not the code, the circuit might be what's kind of holding it back. I think the lead wires could probably be better. Um, but real quick, what I probably talk about my plans for tomorrow. Um, I'm thinking, so I have a little pack of LEDs, different colors. So what I might try to do is get these green, yellow, and red, and then um, green, yellow, red, and kind of do like a delay where they kind of go through. And then I'm thinking I might include like a button for like some input practice. To do like I click the button and then it runs the cycle. So like so it goes like green for a second or two, yellow for like half that. So if it's 2 seconds, then it'll be second. And then red until the cycle runs again. Press that button, then it turns the red to green. So on and so forth. I think I might try to do. I also might try to work. I believe this is going to be a RGB. Can't really tell. I believe this is an RGB um LED because it has the three legs. So I believe one would be um, like power, ground, and like maybe data or something like that. Something like that. Um, I also have a little speaker module I might try to work with, and then I also have part of like an LCD screen I might try to work with as well. But let's try it one more time. Does it turn on? Boop. On. Off. Make sure the connections are pretty solid. Off. Off. Cool. So looks like I got that part working. Probably had to work on the circuit part of it, but that's probably gonna be it for today. Tomorrow probably, like I said, might work on the traffic, uh, like simulator stuff, and then some future projects might include working with this. Um, oh, if I can find it, I believe I have a seven segment, seven segment like number. Oh yeah, right here. So the seventh segment, I might work on like a little like counter thing where I click on it and then it like starts to count up. Oh, and maybe I can also do like a little counter with binary. Just has some LEDs lined up. Click on it and it just kind of like um rotates through, I guess. But that'll probably be it for today. I have some future projects I might think of and do, but so far it's been pretty fun just exploring this Arduino.